there? I have coyotes in my backyard. Do I have coyotes back here? Why is that third one so silent? He scares me. He's too silent. He's focused. Oh, that's a cute coyote. Can you guys all scream Happy Thanksgiving to Grandma and Grandpa?
Happy Thanksgiving!
To who?
Mom, Papa, and Grandma and Grandma! Yeah!
Can you say Happy Turkey Day?
Happy Turkey Day! And I got a new dog!
We have a little bit of energy here in Colorado.
Yay!
A little bit of energy. Kai. There's Kai. Taking the whole table with them. Hey, Kai.
Hello!
Wait, let Kai say Happy Thanksgiving to Grandma. Grandma needs a happy... Oh, Noah.
Sorry.
Everybody go, oh, Kai.
Okay. Woo.
There's Annie. Oh, she says Happy Thanksgiving.
Mom, I want to see what...
There's Bri.
Mommy.
Woo.
I want to see what it looks like when I do this. What does it look like?
I think you just burned their eyes out.